What's up guys, today's video is on the top 5 best vlogging cameras in 2022. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. We'll kick things off with the DJI Pocket 2. The best portable vlogging camera available on the market in 2022. We're looking at an off-road camera with a compact size, excellent stabilization, and top-notch photo and video quality. Not much has changed compared to the first generation, but DJI Pocket 2 has improved where its predecessor lagged behind: autofocus, battery autonomy, and microphones. This model's handling is comfortable with a well-responsive touchscreen and some well-executed movements. In addition, the fact that you now have a joystick to control zoom or camera movement makes the device much more intuitive. And if the device itself doesn't suit you, you can always connect the DJI Pocket 2 to your smartphone with the included adapters. To use it, you'll need to download the DJI Mimo app and connect the device to USB-C or lighting port on your smartphone. As for the quality of shooting and photography, we really liked it. It's true that we'll not reach the levels of a more professional SLR camera, but we can expect quality similar to that we have with some compact cameras, iPhone 12 Pro or Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. The fact that this is a camera with a clean and simple gimbal helps a lot to keep the quality solid, especially in low lighting. DJI Pocket 2 can take photos with a maximum resolution of 64 megapixels. The optics have also changed. The viewing angle is now 93 degrees instead of 80, which is crucial for selfie mode. From a distance of one hand, we can easily capture the whole face and many landscapes. Depending on the selected resolution of the photo or video, we can zoom from 4 times to 8 times. Also, vloggers will be interested in how the device manages speech. With one hand, the microphone gain level is sufficient. All in all, it'll satisfy everyone, not just vloggers. It gives you better results than a smartphone and still fits in your pocket. If you want to save money, we say check out the Canon EOS M50 Mark II, the best budget vlogging camera on the market in 2022. This model comes with several enhancements and features, specifically designed for use on social media and content creation. It's basically a revamped version of Canon's earlier M50 Mark I. The features of the Mark II remain quite similar to its predecessor, with a 24.1 megapixel CMOS sensor and a Digic 8 image processor that allows the camera to record 4K video at 24 frames per second. In short, the update includes better autofocus for both photos and videos, allowing you to accurately track moving subjects within the frame. The device can be easily used as a webcam thanks to the free Canon EOS webcam utility software, which comes with YouTube live wireless streaming capabilities and a handy built-in timer. The device is quite an interesting feature regarding the tilting screen, which makes vertical video recording more intuitive and enjoyable without the need for further editing and cutting. Furthermore, the M50 Mark II comes with a clear HDMI output, so you can record to an external voice recorder or monitor on a larger screen. The rear screen is a standard 3-inch screen with 1.04 megapixels with support for touch input. The EOS M50 has shown that this is a great camera, even for some serious professional applications. Also, if you think autofocus is key to your content, then you should choose the Mark II. For the listed price, we are thoroughly impressed. If you want a top-quality product, we have specially selected the Panasonic Lumix S5, the best premium vlogging camera on the market in 2022. A key advantage of mirrorless cameras is their smaller size and lighter weight compared to the DSLR models. For the Panasonic Lumix S5, the manufacturer has managed to fit everything into a body that is actually smaller than the Panasonic GH5, a much smaller model with a much smaller sensor. Impressive. By default, the S5 comes with a 20 to 60 millimeter kit lens, which can be folded and fits well with a small camera size. At the heart of the S5 is a 24.2 megapixel sensor, the same one found in its sibling, the S1. Placing a proven sensor in this smaller, cheaper case is a smart move. The S5 screen is fully articulated and touch sensitive. You can shoot 4K at 60p, albeit with clip applied, or 30p without it. 10-bit recording is available internally, but you must restart the video after 30 minutes. Alternatively, you can record an unlimited number of clips in 8K. Vlog recording is also available with 14 dynamic range stops. Also included in the mix are such cool specs as dual origin ISO, 4K anamorphic and timed recording. The good news is that autofocus is definitely improved over the S1 series. It is effective in most situations and is also decent in tracking subjects moving in a reasonably predictable way. Since the S5 uses the same sensor as the S1, we already knew that the picture and video quality would probably be very good. The images contain a lot of detail, as well as great colors and balanced exposures. A set of 20 to 60mm lenses is a great optic to start with because the wide angle is wider than we usually see on most lenses. The video quality is also excellent, with very smooth and detailed images. The image quality is exceptional, which is perhaps the most important thing. The camera body is also well designed, with a meaningless ergonomic design, a very good electronic viewfinder, and a very welcome fully articulated touchscreen. If you can afford this beast, we say go for it. And now we present you the Sony ZV-1, the runner-up best vlogging camera available on the market in 2022. This model is designed to make life easier for content creators making YouTube clips, thanks to such nifty features as blurred backgrounds and an infinity of predefined modes. Preserving some details of construction and usability, this is a magnificent option, an outstanding picture quality combined with good sound quality. This camera allows us to blur the backgrounds as much as possible by focusing the attention on the subject to your liking. Similarly, with the same button, we can focus on objects in the foreground to present products. It's noticeable that this device is intended for content creators in terms of design and construction. We're looking at a solid, compact design with good ergonomics, whether we hold the camera behind or in front. The fact that it has a micro USB port at the moment is not so positive, as a USB-C port would definitely be more desirable. The device also includes an HDMI port and a microphone input. We liked the image quality, both in good lighting conditions and in backlight and low light. Whatever content you create, a massive 3-inch folding rear screen will be your perfect ally to see every shot perfectly. This camera, with 20 megapixels and an equivalent focal length of 24 to 70mm, has an optical zoom, which speed can be adjusted from one of the many available menus. Of course, it allows you to record in full HD and 4K resolution and even has modes up to 960 FPS. The sound is taken care of by the top microphone, which delivers a pretty decent result. In the connectivity department, this camera has Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connection, which makes it super easy to control it from a smartphone. If we're talking about autonomy, it remains on about 250 photos, an aspect that we believe could be improved. This is a quality product and all we can do is recommend it. Finally, we present you with the gold medal and the long-awaited title of the best overall vlogging camera available on the market in 2022. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the Fujifilm X-S10, the winner for today. This model puts the proven X-Trans image sensor and autofocus system in a new body style. It is the lightest X-series camera with built-in stabilization and includes 4K shooting mode and a front screen for vloggers. This product is available in addition to the Fujifilm camera system and a particularly attractive option for enthusiasts. The front and rear control wheels are used to control exposure. The trigger is slightly tilted forward and the on-off switch surrounds it. There is another control wheel on the left, next to the switch that opens the pop-up flash. You can go through different aspects of in-camera movies, a useful tool if you want to quickly switch from one creative style to another. The rear screen is more in line with premium cameras. We're looking at a 3-inch panel with touch support and a sharp resolution of 1.04 megapixels. It's a variable angle style, so you can turn it to the side to be facing forward, up or down to take photos from more interesting angles. Digital ports are on the left. In the connectivity department, the X-S10 includes a 3.5mm jack for an external microphone, as well as USB-C for charging, data transfer, and audio headphones. The micro HDMI port delivers clear 10-bit video for use with an external voice recorder. In terms of speed and autofocus, the sensor uses a combination of phase and contrast detection points, distributed over almost the entire surface, which is an advantage for tracking moving subjects. Face and eye detection are supported for portraits, and subject tracking mode is available when continuous focus is used. Tracking the subject is top-notch. When the camera is attached to the subject, it does not lose its trace, which is an advantage for photographers who capture sports action or unpredictable wild animals. This model stands out thanks to the body image stabilization feature. The sensor is mounted on a 5-axis stabilization system, where image quality at higher ISO ratings is on par with the best APS-C models. Overall, this product delivers premium performance, great looks, and high durability at the best possible price-quality ratio. You wanted the best, you got it. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, see you guys later.